Good girl. Give me that. Give me that. Get it. Get it. Eat it. Okay, wait.
There he comes.
Ready?
Boo! Deuce.
Get it.
Deuce.
Get it.
Deuce.
Get it.
Oh, he's a good boy. Go get him, Deuce. Go get him. No, don't get me. Get them.
He's a tomorrow. Good girl, guys. Get it. Yay! There's the ruins. Got it. Yay! Her got it. Her got it. Okay, get it. Here. Get it. No, go get it. Get it. Get it. Get it, Des. Hey, go get it. That's her own. Deuce is gonna get it. Deuce is gonna get it. Woo-hoo! Where is it, Deuce? Where is it, Des? Where is it? Get it. That's her own. Go get it. Get it. Get it.
Oh. Go get him, Deuce.
Get it. Get it. Silly. Silly. I want him to get it. Yay! Oh my. I'm going to have to learn to tug. I'm going to learn to tug when I get big. Yeah. Arf. 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 He's funny.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. Tomorrow I'll be better. Tomorrow I'll be better. I'm kind of wary about them dogs, and they're kind of worried about me. Okay, should we get the rope and bring it in the house? Should we get the rope and bring it in the house? Wait. Get it. Yeah, the girl. There it is. Oh my. Are you going to have a little nap when you get in the house? Look, he's tired.
Yeah. Come on, Deuce. I'm coming. Come on. Come on, Deuce.
He's trying to get the snowballs off.
Okay.
Now don't pick him up right away. Come on, Deuce. Come on, Deucers. Come on, Deuce. Yay! Come on, Deuce. Come on, honey. Come on, Larry.
Come on, Deuce. Come on, Deuce.
Watch, yeah.
Come on, Deuce.
Come on, Deuce.
Come on, Deuce. Yay!